So today we are going to try some Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian sweets and kwaja and
Give the jelly!
제대로 먹어야 되잖아요.
Yeah, I like the taste. I like this one.
I really like this one. 안녕하세요. 루벨TV 이한입니다. 우리가 오늘은 특별한 특별한 친구랑 지금 영상 촬영하고 있어요.
Of course, 이가 사람. 동물.
동물이니?
사람이에요. 안녕하세요. 아이다입니다. 사람입니다.
안녕하세요, 이승진입니다. Here's our best friend Aida.
Also a person.
Yeah, also a person.
Yeah, it's the first time that she's in the video.
100% human.
Even though she spends like every day with us.
Yeah.
So it's the first time. Is it the first time?
Shame on you. No, second time.
video in
Finding
Omish.
Nemo.
Omish.
Yeah.
Find link.
Teeth are expensive.
조금 더. 오늘은 한국 사람에게 보스니아랑 크로아티아, 세르비아 과자 먹기. So today we are going to try some Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian sweets and kwaja, and we have few juices also.
Because we watched some of the YouTube videos. Some people tried.
Foreigners trying like food from Bosnia, Croatia, Serbia.
Yeah, their reaction is quite exaggerated.
Yeah.
We guess.
They always say it's horrible.
Yeah, it's not that horrible. So we made this video for showing our reaction.
Well, this will mostly be Hyung's reaction because like we've lived here for quite some time now. So
We grew up on this stuff.
yeah, we kind of ate this our whole lives.
I also experienced 4 seasons.
Okay, let's start. So with
First, salty stuff,
no.
Yeah.
and then sweet stuff.
Okay, so the first one,
Chips.
Chipsy Rebasti Chili.
Chili.
Aida, do you like this one?
Yeah.
So this is the spiciest. It's not really spicy.
Yeah.
진짜
I
맵지.
agree.
감자 향기.
감자에 향기를 붙여. 감자 냄새.
감자 냄새. 향기 아니에요.
It's
향기로운
not scent.
향기로운 감자 향기.
Okay.
형님 드세요.
예상하는 맛. 어느 나라에나 있는 맛.
와,
우와.
진짜 맵지 않아요. 고추인데 고추밭인데 맵진 않아요.
Not spicy at all, but it's so spicy. The people who live in this country.
We don't use spices in our food.
여기 사람들에게 이거 엄청 매워요.
We only use salt and vegeta.
So do you like it?
No, of course. Who doesn't like chips?
This is my favorite chips.
Yeah, I like that one too.
다음은 똑같은 회사인데 이거는 피자 맛이에요. 솔직히 나도 이거 이제 처음 먹어볼 거예요. 나도 먹어본 적 없어요 이거.
Me too.
이거는 잠깐만.
Really?
잠깐만. 이거는
Let me try.
어떤 냄새냐면요. 세탁기 냄새. 아니 진짜예요. 세탁기
Let me try.
냄새. It's czekaj. This is the smell of washing machine.
Not really.
Yeah.
Selma,
Have you ever
No.
done laundry before?
podrži me.
Da.
Miris, wait.
Ah.
Wiecie, mašine.
카코.
really.
야.
드세요.
라면 스프 맛. Seriously, it's written with pizza taste. What taste? 라면 스프.
아이다가 내 먹.
Tastes like ketchup.
라면 스프.
오.
라면 스프 아니야?
There's an aftertaste.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
the aftertaste, but the first time you just put it in your mouth, it's not really good.
The aftertaste is pizza taste.
아마 프로바이. 우리가 안 먹은 거 쌈마가 지금 먹고 있어요.
At the end of the video, you can take picture. I love it.
So the next one. 이거는 맛있겠어요. 이거는 맛있겠다.
Do it.
어이구. 맛있는데 냄새가 좀.
It's not my reaction. It's your reaction. Yeah. That's good.
맛있는데요? 이거 맛있어요.
Smells like mayonnaise.
It's
Mayo.
really soft, easy to be melted in your mouth.
And it sticks teeth.
It is.
Next, please.
There's more
Yeah.
space.
아 너무 좋아. 맛있어.
Wow, the smell so strong.
Yeah.
피칸. 맛있는데요?
In Korea we have onion ring, 양파 ring.
Haha.
Yeah, but the
양파는
양파 ring is bigger than this.
있는데요. 맛있는데?
The smell is really strong, but the taste
It
isn't.
isn't.
Next.
So
Oh, I
that's
love
the
this one.
snack.
This is
called
really cheap. This is 얼마지? 한국 돈으로
25 penny.
25.
25
Oh, oh yeah.
그 얼마인지 그거 한국 돈으로
200원?
200원.
Good with math.
그래.
맛있어요.
Oh,
땅콩 맛. 땅콩 맛.
I love
Basically,
it.
you call this smoky.
영어로 flips. 한국에는
Maybe.
바나나 케이크잖아요. 그거랑 비슷한데
모양.
비슷한 건데 모양
shape.
그 식감이 비슷해요.
It's really fluffy.
식감이 비슷한데 근데 이거는 땅콩 맛있고 그리고
키키리키.
짜. This is really similar one. Next one.
Next one.
오 맛있는 냄새예요.
Breakfast. Cereal?
Come on.
Something?
Share it.
Sharing is caring.
Here, lady first.
Ah, thank you. You're such a gentleman.
나 이건 처음 먹어보는데? You look like almond.
Yeah.
Almond seed.
Seed. Oh, pillow. Yeah.
Yeah.
맛있어요. 그냥
Yeah,
초콜릿이랑
tastes
과자.
good.
Yeah, I
The
like
chocolate is inside of it.
it. Yeah. I want more of this.
Good.
The next one is called Tops. Tops.
Yeah.
Basically, Jaffa cakes.
Jaffa cakes. But
But
these
this
are
time,
with 사과랑 cinnamon.
orange and chocolate, pineapple.
This is the first time that I'm gonna try with apple and cinnamon.
Yeah.
Basically, it's apple jelly and cinnamon covered with chocolate. Oh, it's gonna be good.
Look. They're all in the same face. They're all facing in the same direction except for this one and this
then-
one.
Yeah, I need to.
Are all gonna die now. See? Yeah.
Teach them how to eat.
Ah, may I?
Oh.
You take one? No, this is going to be
What,
nasty. Scrape off the chocolate.
Really?
Yeah.
Aida and me eat it that way.
Once you clean the jelly, you
Oh.
eat the jelly
Mm-hmm.
and then the biscuit.
Why am I following you? Also,
Good job, good job.
no. This is level 3.
Yeah.
And
Eat the jelly!
제대로 먹어야 되잖아요.
Yeah, I like the taste. I like this one.
Me too. I really like this one.
Yeah, me too. Ooh!
So everyone,
Oh, you bought all kinds.
everyone,
Oh, yay!
everyone.
Banana party!
We have different kinds, but it has chocolate inside it, so you can make chocolate milk.
You use more milk.